Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you my poor old dragon painting, and if you've seen part one you'll realise that it's not as it was when it first started, and that was simply because up at this end just went all really weird and I had to take it off and do a repair job on it and a bit of a tilt, and so the painting is actually not really like the painting that I had started. However, I like it just the same and decided to keep it and continue. And so what I've got here is a couple of cutouts for dragons, and I want to just give you a little story about these. These are okay to use, they're free stock, which means that you can do what I'm doing or just print it out to put it in a frame, but you cannot sell them. So this painting is not for sale, it wasn't going to be for sale anyway, and because of these pictures, they're you can use them but not to sell. You have to be very careful when you're borrowing a picture that it isn't copyright, and that you follow the rules for the to the person that did the actual drawing. So what am I doing? I'm putting a PVA onto my picture. Obviously too much, but hey, I'll do it across here, come up picture, and then I'm just going to put him down in his place where I want him, over to the edge, and then I'm going to do this, make sure that he's well and truly covered. And of course, you know, this PVA glue dries clear, and it's all good. He needs to come a bit more to the edge. A bit more, come on, you can do it. You have to be a bit careful moving these simply because they do get soft and they can bend, tear, as that piece just did. Alright, let me give it a So, that one's on. And once these are dry, I come back then with my pen. You can use a paint pen, or as I do, I'll be probably using an everlasting pen. Now this little chappy. Just covering him. And he's going up into this corner. You only have to flip. I felt that tear. Doesn't want to come off my hand. There you go. He was a bit hard to cut out, this one, and I realise I've got a couple of white pieces there, but when I get onto it with the black marker, I'll cover those. Okay, so he's on as well. put a little bit of gold around this bloke maybe too in a minute when he's dry. Okay, so put his spikes on. This bloke. Okay, so they're on. That's how that's done. And I'll just leave them for a few hours now, probably till tomorrow, and then I'll come back and finish them off. And they look good. He's looking up at that little chappie. So I'll be back shortly. Don't go away. Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'm just moving back to see if I get it in. Yes, it did. I'm back with my dragons. They've been drying for, I don't know, a week. They're very nice. They're on there, and he's looking up at the little interloper here that's going to come and steal his gold. So I'm just going to put some little dots of gold like this around his eye. Off camera I did his eye a little bit with just a bit of black around the edge of it, and a little iris. And so I thought I might decorate him a little bit more. Oops. I think that looks nice to have a bit of gold on him. I tossed up making his eye gold as well, but I decided against that. Just leave it black. He looks more evil, or more intent on watching this other person try to come and steal his stuff. Not good. And I don't know if I can, oh yes, just do a couple of little lines here and there on him. This gold will dry quite nicely and be a bit shimmery. I probably should have had a bit of a dry brush to do this part, but I don't know if I can even reach it over there. I think I'll go and try. Yep. Just managed to reach out to it, so that was good. And yeah, see, it goes on much faster, and he can have like whiskers. Doesn't need a lot, just enough to brighten him up a little bit. Not on his mouth. Maybe some down on here. Yes, he's looking very handsome indeed. Now I'll turn this one upside down so I can get this little bloke up here. No barking. and he wants to be a little bit spiky. He's not all that well defined because he's up a bit higher, but it doesn't stop him from being beautiful. Right, and his little tail. I think he's done. That over there. Very nice. So I'll bring you down to have a little look, and he's done. He's looking good, and I like him, which is good because it's taken a while to do him. So there's Father Dragon, I guess, and over here is this dragon. I think he should be getting a little worried. I wouldn't want this big bloke looking at me. And the fire in the cave. It's come up to be rather a nice painting. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And I think that's about it. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please give this one the thumbs up. Bye.